Welcome to our ProLife channel. Lots of people are rearing Java as a pet, but as a beginner they don't know how to detect their gender. So in this video I wanna show you three major difference of male and female Java, and I also discuss about how to know the actual age of a Java sparrow bird. So let's begin from difference number 1. Number 1 difference between male and female Java is their beak color. Here in this footage you can see two different birds, and the bird which is on left side is a male one, and try to see it that his beak color is more red than the female one. To learn it easier for you, I will show you a still picture. So let's see the picture. In this picture you can easily see the bird which is on left side has a red beak, and this one is a male one, and the beak color of a female bird is not deep red. This is actually light red. So by this way you can easily detect their gender. And now let's see the second way to know about their gender. In this picture the bird which is on the front side, it's a male one, and you can easily see that the beak of this bird is little bit curly, but the female bird beak size is totally plain, and that's the second way to detect their gender. Actually those tips are works to detect their age, because if the bird is baby then they will not get the proper beak color and the proper shape of their beak. So by that way you can easily know about their age. I mean, you can easily detect a adult and a baby bird. In this picture you can see the bird which is on the front side, it's a female one, because their beak shape is almost plain. Okay, now let's talk about the third difference between male and female Java. This difference is about their eye circle. See on this female bird eye, and you can easily see that the circle color of her eye is white, and on other hand the male bird eye circle is light red or deep red. So let's see it by picture. Here you can see the bird, that's a male bird, and the eye ring of this bird is totally red. That means that that's a adult male, and this bird is at least 8 to 10 months, because if they are baby they will not get this color, and if they are semi-adult they also not get these types of deep color on their eye. So as a semi-adult bird the eye circle may be light red. So by using those three different tips you can easily detect a Java bird gender and their age. Thanks for watching the full video. If you want to get more video like this, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get new video notification quickly. Thanks for watching.